He's looking at you. Okay guys, so I'm just going to start spraying all around some degreaser, and I'll scrub down some areas. But this engine bay is just really, the engine bay is not so bad, but the motor is pretty dirty. I got this stuff from the dollar store a long time ago. Never used it, but it actually cuts the grease pretty good. I just wanted to put that on the record. So I let this stuff sit for a minute. Close off what I can. Do the hood too, because I don't want a clean bay and a shitty looking hood. What do I know? That was probably the shittiest engine bay cleaning video you could ever find, but it's starting to rain on me, and I could always clean it again another time with some better tools. You know, I need some better degreasers and things like that. I don't really want to be scrubbing it down in the rain anyways. I'd rather, I want to pull it in now so I could put the clutch pedals in and get rid of the old stuff, because you got to swap all three pedals, so you gotta get all three of them to swap them in. But yeah, I'll pull the car in. Bye. I guess I really couldn't just leave the bay kind of looking like shit. I'm actually going back over it again. Just looks terrible. This is so satisfying. All the black go away. More things are this easy, but it sure stinks. Everyone knows brake cleaner is so bad. Now I got the car moved, we got plenty of room to get to those pedals. We need a clutch. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is remove the two screws that hold this little cover lower panel on there. this one. Then you got screw right here. And after you got those two screws off, just pull this off. Unplug this little sensor here. Alright. Okay, so now you want to remove these 3 10s. Got 1, 2, and 3. This cover should just come off. Whatever. This side, all the other stuff. Now we're gonna have to unplug everything associated with the steering wheel so we can lower it down. So we got like this thing here for airbag, it's yellow. And yeah, we just unplug everything so that we can drop it. So you just keep pulling everything with the steering wheel, and everything plugs back into the only one it plugs into. You can't, I've never mixed these up ever. I just pull them. I never label them. So there's 2 that go back behind here I'm gonna have to get. So now you have to drop 4 14mm bolts that are holding the column on. And they're pretty long. Okay, so after dropping the steering column, I decided I really need to remove my front seat. I have no room to work at all. And the seat removal is really easy. I broke that one. So I've been messing with the pedal for like an hour now, and I decided I'm going to bust these 2 brake lines off so I can pull this booster out so I can get a bunch more room, because right now it's just so tight in there and I'm not getting anywhere. So we'll pull this booster off. Okay, so you definitely have to remove those brake lines because now I have way more room to get this pedal out. And it's almost out of here. Some things are getting caught. There it is. automatic brake pedals. That took way longer than it should have. It took about an hour. I just had to remove those two brake lines and now it's off. See ya. The clutch pedal setup. I need this and these brake pedals. And here's a comparison of the automatic one, the pedal set, next to the manual, the 5-speed pedal set. You can see the brake pedal just a lot smaller. So I think if you use the automatic ones, maybe it'd work, but you might not have room for your clutch pedal, or it would just be way too close to the clutch. So just thought I'd throw it in there. I gotta try to get this big thing in there. Hopefully it works out. Okay, got the brake and gas pedal in. Just got to push the booster on there nice and straight and hook up the pedals. Next we'll put the clutch pedal in. And this thing will start to look like a 5-speed. Yeah, we just gotta push this booster back on there. So I disconnected it. There it goes. Okay, we have the pedals fully into place. Now we just need to hook up the throttle and the cruise control. So for the clutch pedal, we got to remove these two plugs. Might have been a third there, but yeah, Honda made it really easy for us. They also did the same thing on my Civic sedan. Yes. So we've been doing this stuff for a while. Just setting most of the cars up for a 5-speed conversion. So now I got those two right here. This plug, that little tiny plug here, will go inside the car. Up underneath, you'll see right there. This. Try to get a better light on it. So this is a piece for the 5-speed. So you just want to remove that, and voila, you got no holes to drill. Everything's set up for the clutch pedal. So first thing, we're just gonna slide this on through. I got it all connected. I'm gonna have to disconnect this real fast. Master and the reservoir off the donor car, and you just put it right on in. And I have the gasket on mine also, so make sure you have that. And then this will mount in a factory location right up here. Just gotta get a bolt. So when you get that master pushed through, it should look something like this. Where it goes through the factory holes, everything's lining up, and so Now we put our clutch pedal right on there, and they even have the threaded hole right there for the upper part of the clutch pedal right here. So this goes up top. I got the two on the side, and that one, the centerpieces go through here and clip right in. We got a pin for that, so I just mount straight up like this. Okay, let's try to throw it on in. Okay, got the pedals all cleaned up, everything's all installed, and everything's connected. So it's a 5-speed car now. So all we gotta do is mount this reservoir, and it's already got some threaded holes there. So I already found 2 bolts. We'll just try to, there we go. Cool. So the reservoir is all mounted up. No big deal. Alright, it's not going anywhere. Alright guys, so we got that clutch pedal in, we got the brake and the gas pedal all plugged in, everything's all connected. I don't see any problem there. All we got to do now is get a shifter box in there, but we want to get the shifter box in there after the transmission's in, so there's no play. I mean, there's only one place that shifter box can be, so we're just going to get the transmission in first, then do the box and cables, and we'll get that all figured out. But yeah, the real hardest part was just getting that automatic pedal out. It really didn't want to come out. You have to pull that brake booster back. Once you pull that brake booster back and those brake lines, it really gives you the extra room, and that brake pedal just falls out. I was struggling on that for like an hour or two, and I was pissed. I was all getting mad, and I really, I was like, what the fuck, you know? But after that, everything was a breeze. Got the clutch pedal all buttoned up. But yeah, that's it for now. I don't really want to be doing 30-40 minute videos, so I try to cut this one short. And if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe for more content, because I'll be posting up more stuff. This is just a CRV for now, but I got a lot more projects. I always get cars all the time, so I'll always have something to show. But with that, I'm going to say thanks for watching. Peace.